What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the pitboss control screen. I'm actually replacing it with something that's a little bit newer. Apparently it's supposed to be a much better display screen for it. My issue is that pellets are not feeding appropriately, and obviously the screen's not lighting up, and so I'm going to go ahead and replace this. All links are down below. This video is not sponsored by anybody, but I am an Amazon affiliate. Please click the links, it helps the channel. And let's go ahead and dive right in. One thing I'd like to say before I get started, do not use a drill with this. Get a screwdriver, you're gonna need it, and this should be a fairly easy replacement. I'll walk you through step by step, but just don't use a drill. You'll strip out the screws. It's just not a good idea, so use a screwdriver. So for reference, this is the new screen we're gonna be replacing the old one with. It's supposed to be an upgraded version. It's a knockoff, but it has really good reviews on Amazon. The link's down below. And for this demonstration, it's actually on the pitboss XL. If there's any misunderstanding about which model you have, on the back side of Hopper, there's actually a like silver manufacturer guide. And that's what you can use to get the replacement parts that you need instead of throwing your grill away and spending $500 to $1,000 on a new grill. First thing you're going to want to do is obviously unplug your pitboss. Not smart to work on any electrical while it's plugged in, or anything's plugged in for that matter. It could be a shocking experience for you. So now we're going to take out each one of these, and this is where I said earlier, do not use a drill. There's 4 total screws down here. Using a drill can strip them out, can cause problems. You don't need to do that. I'll lie to you again. There's 7 total screws. 7. Okay. So now you see that in there? We're going to pop this out. There's little plastic pieces that should pop out pretty easily. But there's plastic pieces on all sides of it. So once it comes out, it should be pretty easy. But the first thing I recommend doing before even doing this, you're gonna wanna cut the zip tie, because all the slack for the wires is already bound up here. So take these off first, at least this one, and see how much slack you have, and then take this one off if needed. Make sure you have zip ties to put it back for cable management. So, because you don't want any of these wires getting into this fan here. Snippity-doo-dah. Don't do something silly and like cut a wire. I don't recommend that. Okay, so that's cut. Now this is our control circuit right here. Like I said, there's these plastic pieces here that you need to push, pop out, but that's why you need a flathead screwdriver to try to work them. Once you get a corner, it's easy. Like I would do the corners first. So you can see here in this corner up here. So you just push this little lip, and then you just work your way down the line here. Up top, reach up top, do the same thing. Now don't get too Hercules with it, because if you do that, what'll end up happening is you'll rip one of these wires. You have plenty of slack here, patience, and just take your time and get it out. See, now it's out. Alright guys, so once this is out like this, the easiest way to do this is to line up each one, right? So each wire, just do the same. Take one wire apart from the old one, put it on the new one, and so on and so on. They're all color coordinated, so you should not get confused. It should be very easy for you. So let's start with this one. Take it off, be gentle, don't force it around. There we go. Now we're gonna put this one on. And we're just gonna do them all like this, one at a time. Don't force it, be gentle. All right, same thing here. So purple, white. Let's find the purple, white one. Here's the purple, white one. Take it off. Some of these might be a little tricky to get off, but
That's why we have our flathead screwdriver. Alright, so it's all good. Moment of truth. Gonna take it, double check all your connections, make sure everything's good to go. Seems to be good. Should be good to go. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna fit everything back in here, like so. And then we're gonna push it in. And it should clip, right? So these are all the clips I was talking about earlier that we were trying to push to get the old one out. So push it. Clipped it all in. Good to go. Now let's go put everything back on the bottom side again. And we're back, guys. So we're in the final stages here. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to try to bundle these up as much as we can. If you have zip ties, that's the best way to do it. I'm actually gonna use this cable tie thing. Now the LCD screen actually came with zip tie on it, so there wasn't a ton of slack here. The main thing is to make sure that these cables and stuff do not get in that fan. So we're gonna go ahead and jump forward. I'm gonna put the bottom on, put the 8 screws back in. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Let's plug this bad boy in and see if this new LCD panel will fire up. Don't break your ankle either, like I almost just did. So let's hit start. Looks like it's already on. Let's see if everything lights up for us. Let's go 300 and that's hit start. Ooh, look at that! Everything's lit up for us. Alright guys, so I let this sit for 30 minutes. It's maintaining a temperature now, and it wasn't doing it before. Kept dropping and clogging up, and now it's good to go. So I think we got our fix here, and I think we're gonna be good to go long term. So, all right, guys. So as you can see, replacement easy to do. The links are in the description down below. I definitely recommend doing this. Was very simple fix. Save you a lot of money doing it. Takes about half an hour. You guys can do it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please look at some of my other videos. I do a lot of other DIYs, reviews, things like that. So thanks again, until next time.